When DCAing, what day of the week from a statistical perspective is best day to buy Bitcoin, alts, and stocks? So I didn't look at alts because alts typically follow Bitcoin. So using Bitcoin as a proxy, we know. So let's look at some fun price stats as well. Average historic gain per day for Bitcoin since its inception is 0.51%. Of course, those gains are coming down over time, but even today, that's the actual return. The top day gain ever in the history of Bitcoin is 18.19%. What a candle that must have looked like. The best day to buy Bitcoin is always Monday. Second best day to buy Bitcoin is Sunday. And we had a little pump this morning. I think it came up within, $31 or $39 of 30,000. So it just shot up. And that's coming back down to earth. We're around 29,400 now. Which shows you how things can be so volatile. Now for equities, the best day and time of the week over the last 4 years to buy equities is basically early Monday morning. And things kind of fizzle out towards the end of the week. But sometimes there can be a little profit taking by the end of the week. So Monday morning is typically the best time. Now, this is why we built this product called DCAS. We believed we could beat DCAing. A lot of people say you can't, but we worked really hard and we made it happen, and we made this tool available to the community as well. And I estimate that even if you're only moving about $1,100 in the market, this will pay off greatly. This is the DCAS results versus DCA. Basically, you get 18% more, you spend 1.1% less, and your ROI is over 20% higher on average. Works in all market conditions, all assets. And this is a visual of exactly how it performs. DCA is in blue, DCAS is in red, and you can see it always outperforms no matter what the asset, what the condition, what the time frame, what the settings. In addition, this is a Tesla example. If you want to stack Tesla, it tells you the load to buy, when to buy. You can pick your day. You want to do daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, whatever. But using this, you get 31% more return on investment from Tesla. So this is, again, took a long time to crack the code. We had a first version and then a second version, which is a lot better, which is what is here.